In this video, we're going to have a quick look at how to create a team in Microsoft Teams. Lots of team in this video. So when I'm in Microsoft Teams and I'm on my Teams on the left hand side, I can come down to the bottom here and I can see join or create a team. So when I click there, it's going to give me the option to create a team or join a team with a code. So if someone's given you a code and the team's already created, you can join it there. If not, and you want to create a brand new team, you can create a team right in front of me here. So I'm just going to click where it says create team, and I've got a couple of options here, and so there's really nice functions. I can either build a team from scratch, or I can also create one from an existing 365 group or team. I've also got what's a team at the bottom to give me a little help to understand what are teams all about. Teams, just really quickly then, teams are really useful to capture all of the information from a department or a project or a process in one pot and give everyone access to that detail. You can have multiple channels, some of them public and some of them private, and add and take away members as you need to. And in there you can share conversations, content and work on documents together. So really, really collaborate and even have meetings within those channels as well. So in this one, I'm going to build a team from scratch. But if you've already got a team that's set up that you want to use the structure from, you can do that if you click on create from. I'm going to build a team from scratch so you can see the normal sort of setup here. And now I've got the option to decide whether I want a private team, so people won't be able to see it and I will need to either give people access to join or they will need to ask for access, a public team that anyone can join, or an organisation-wide team that everyone has access to. And dependent on what you're using this team for, that'll give you an idea of which type of team you want to create. So I'm just going to do a public one for this option so anyone can access. And I'm going to call it Teams Training. So I can name that team whatever I want, something that's relevant and memorable for anyone who might need to access. And I can also add a description about the team as well to help people and point them in the right direction so they know exactly what this team is going to be used for. And click on create. And Microsoft is just going to create that team for me. So it might take a few seconds. And immediately when you create a team, it's going to ask you to add members to the team. You don't have to. You can click on skip and I'm going to do that. But if not, you can just start typing in names or email groups and you can add those people nice and quickly to the team that you've just created. So I'm going to click on skip, and over here on my left hand side I've now got my Teams Training and I've got my general channel. So every time you create a team you will always have a general channel. And I can now start adding people to my team, adding new channels and adding loads of great content and collaborate with my colleagues. So have a go and create your first team if you haven't already.